Don't get me wrong, family. It's important to make sure you have some sort of savings, but money goes a lot further when you invest it. I've been investing a minimum of $10 each day into Tesla every day this year since the beginning of April. In this video, I want to show you how it's doing. I want to talk about some of the things that's going on with Tesla and talk about why I made this decision. But real quick, if you haven't already taken advantage of it and are interested in earning anywhere up to 15 free stocks, as well as 8.1% on all invested cash, be sure to check out the Moomoo referral link down below in the description. And now without further ado, let's get into it. For those of you that don't know, we are looking at Interactive Brokers. This is one of the brokerages I love to use. I don't really trade options in it. I just buy stocks. And if you're interested in checking out Interactive Brokers, I have it linked down below. You don't get anything for signing up, but it does help the channel out when you interact with those links down below so that you know that. It was getting a little hot, but getting back to the point, I've invested into Tesla, and actually not only Tesla, I've also invested in PayPal as well. Minimum of $10 each day, every day that the stock market is open. An investment has gone in, and I want to just take this time to show you kind of what it looks like. All right, so looking at Tesla right now, you can see Tesla's trading price at the moment is $345. It is Sunday, so its market's not open, but $345.44. You can see going over the previous day, it was up $12.55 on the day. And then right here, you can see my cost basis on Tesla. So I have put a total of $1,974 into Tesla. And as of right now, my average price on Tesla, like for everything that I have purchased since April, it'd be like if I bought all the shares I had today for $215. So ask yourself, if you could get shares of Tesla right now at $215, would you? Tesla is currently trading at $345. So I'm still buying it every day. I'm buying it I'm buying it while it's at its highs. I bought it when it was at its lows, and this is the beauty of dollar cost averaging. All right, going on and kind of taking a look, you can see I have 9.1 shares of Tesla. As of right now, I have paid a total of $1,974 for what I have on Tesla. But as of right now, I am up just under $1,200, $1,190 I'm up on my Tesla shares. Through everything that I've invested, I've already earned more than I would probably make in interest in my life on the same amount. Any other major banking institution, like if you look at a JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, anything like that, any of those institutions when it comes to interest in a savings account, I far outnumbered what I would likely earn in a lifetime on interest in my savings just in a matter of months. Today is December 1st as we make this. I'm very interested to seeing where this closes out the year. But yeah, as of right now, you can see I'm up 60% on this. Right now, the market value of that initial $1,900 or just under $2,000 I invested is now worth just under $3,200. So that's how my investment with Tesla has gone. Now, real quick, before we close out this video, I want to kind of show you the journey. All right, so one of the beautiful things about me making this investment every day is that I don't have to think about it. It's something that's there. I kind of just set it and forget it. I've actually bumped up the investment to $12 a day, but I had it set to invest $10 in PayPal, $12 in Tesla. Every day the market is open. I don't think about it. There are sometimes months I don't look at this portfolio, and I'm still making money. I'm still up. Like even looking at PayPal, similar story. I'm up on that. I'm up 26%, or up an extra $464 on PayPal. You can see I have other stocks in there as well, but those are more recent purchases, and I actually don't dollar cost average into those. But getting back to Tesla, if we take a look at Tesla year to date, you can see it's kind of been on a ride. It opened the year out at $250. I started buying in August 1st, so it was at $175. So I bought in every day from this point. I rode it down to the bottom. I even bought a little bit at the bottom, and kind of ever since April, I said August, but ever since April 22nd, hey, it's been on a move up, and I have been buying all that. I've been in from the swing lows. I've been here for the swing highs. I was definitely happy when we rose up here, but also when we pulled back, it normalized. I was buying every single day coming into it. So now we're up here at highs, and there will probably be a point when we pull back again. But if we look at Tesla, there will probably be a point when we take out this high and make even higher highs. And right now I'm in for, I think, an average of 215, 210 a share. Oh, lights back on. And really the purpose of me making this video today, family, is I want to urge you, I want to inspire you to show you that money does its best when it's going to work for you. How do you put your money to work for you? Honestly, the bank is kind of a place where it holds your money, but it's not. When you put your money in the bank, it's not really doing that much work for you. It's doing more work for the bank than it's doing for you. And I want to take this time to say, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, but we are the result of what we do every single day. So if you are investing every single day, if you're investing in the solid companies, if you're putting something, like even when it's down, like life, the same way life has its up and downs, stocks has their up and downs. But I want to let you know, when you zoom out, look at the S&P 500, look at the NASDAQ, look at all your powerhouse companies. Zoom out and look at the pattern. The chart's usually up and to the right. The way I personally see it is you can either let your money lose value to inflation, or invest and keep up with it, or beat inflation with investing. To me, it's one of the simplest things you can do. And it's not even necessarily anything you need to throw all your money at. Say you make $500 a week. There's room for you to take like $50 a week. That's 10%. And invest it. And really, when it comes to investing, the goal with investing is for your money over time to pay for your lifestyle, to pay for the things you need and whatnot. So while you're working a job, while you're young and can work, while you don't need it, over time your money is building up and working harder and harder for you. Ultimately, if you're consistent in adding to it, it comes a day when, assuming that you're not just investing in bad companies and whatnot, there comes a day that the money that your investments is kicking off far exceeds your lifestyle, far exceeds the money you make at work. And it's like, when that happens, you just feel free. And family, I want each and every one of you to feel that. So if you enjoyed the video or learned anything, be sure to smash the like button. If for some reason you're new here and haven't already, be sure to subscribe. If you haven't already and are interested, be sure to get up to 15 free stocks, as well as 18.1 on all uninvested cash on Moomoo. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching. Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life.